Recognizing and aspiring to greatness. Mediocrity knows nothing higher than itself, but talent instantly recognizes genius. Sherlock Holmes. Mediocrity settles for comfort. Talent seeks to grow and learn from others. Recognizing genius starts with humility. Surround yourself with greatness. Being near those who excel inspires you to push your limits. Learn from the best. Observe how talented individuals think and act. Use their methods to refine your own. Genius is often subtle. Train your mind to recognize brilliance in unexpected places or people. Mediocrity dismisses excellence out of insecurity. Rise above by valuing others' strengths without envy. Strive to elevate yourself daily. Excellence isn't born, it's built through effort and consistent growth. Celebrate the success of others. Admiring greatness motivates you to achieve your own potential. Greatness recognizes greatness. To aspire higher, nurture talent, curiosity, and a relentless drive for improvement. Follow us for 1% Better every day at 1% Better Me channel.